Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So despite the really big event stance right now on economic world, actually it's only just remind the Fitch decision. So it's absolutely like the cold shower for the whole market society, despite that actually other agencies already have downgraded the United States during the turmoil around debt sale. But this soap opera with the rating is not finished. So if you know, Janet Yellen accused the Fitch with a not quite reasonable decision, while the director of the Fitch have taken some speech on concerning this stuff and just confirmed that that the Fitch sees that situation is becoming difficult and United States probably will have the problems with managing the debt. So translating from the bird language into the common language, we could say that this Fitch comment means that even from the maths point of view, using the simple maths, United States government is coming to the moment where it will be impossible to resolve problem with the national debt. So this is really big call for overall global market society. So on the background of this stuff, you can see the demand for United States dollar is rising, and well, actually this is a big topic for discussion concerning the debt failure in the United States, because different opinions exist. Particularly speaking, some investors suggest that they even could keep buying the long-term debt if even the United States will take the default on its debt obligations. Why? It's just because default will be on the short term. It will be even in the long term, nobody knows. And from that standpoint, they use this logic to support the idea of the buying longer term debt. So this is really very big cluster of the questions around this topic, and it's too big to put it in this video. I just would like to say that this is really big transformation is happening across the board in global markets, and we're looking just at the starting point. So you could see what is going on the stocks, for example, it's just falling like the stone. So speaking about our short-term scenario on the euro currency, well, guys, everything actually goes pretty nice. So market keeps going lower, forming another, by the way, let's take a look, reversal bar right there yesterday, and it's going to our target. So now we could just hold our position, see what will happen around this area. Supposedly, right there, if market will reach this support area, including the oversold level, we could count on some bounce. So here's might be some retracement. If you're a scalp trader trading on lower time frames, be aware of this support, and maybe you will get some chance to take the long position. For instance, if we suggest that the pullback will be something like this, similar to this one, it will be somewhere to 109.87, maybe, so for 100 pips approximately. So that's what could happen around this level. But meantime, we're going to this level. So take a look on the 4 time frame chart. Scenario that we discussed yesterday now is materializing slowly. Once again, I'm not really tiring to repeat this, as once again, splitting of the position is always not the worst decision. So maybe not the best if you will be able to catch the precise reversal points, but definitely not the worst. It's just because those traders who are watching for deeper retracement, as we suggested yesterday, maybe some ABCD, they just missed the entry, while those who split the position and take at least the half of your position right there already in the market and now standing with the downward action could move stops to break even and see what will happen. Meantime, market is coming to our target. So we're watching for OP, it's 108.94 and 108.80, which is 1618 extension of this butterfly. Butterfly itself is bullish reversal pattern, so it suggests at least 30% pullback of the whole butterfly action, which supposedly might be somewhere to, well, approximately to the same area around 109.70, as we discussed. So you could actually, if you are searching chance to take the long position on intraday charts, you could use either the butterfly or could drop your time frame more to the 5-minute chart, for example, and watch for the other bullish reversal patterns. That just lets you to place tighter stop to minimize your risk. But supposedly around this area, so if we'll take a look at the result, it's around 108.60, 108.60, 108.80. That's the area where a theoretical market could start to bounce, and at least it should be around the 30% of this most resting swing. So that's what we have. So once market is coming to the target, those of you who hold short position, you could think about profit taking. So that's what we have.